Hi there, my name's Jeff. This is our Promecam Pressbrake. It's a upstroking press brake, reasonably small capacity, 35 tonne, about 2.5 metres for the tooling, and it's about a little bit under 2.2 between the frames. It's got the Hurco CNC control on it that's been retrofitted in 95-96. It's a 1983 machine. Came out of a working situation not long ago, a company restructure. It's in good condition, and yeah, it runs really well. I've taken the top tooling out of it just so I can run it for you. I'm not sure whether the program I'm using, was for that specific tooling, so I've just taken that out. General condition all around is really good. Power box over here, it's got the Hurco back gauge system, and pressure gauge over here. You've got your regulating hydraulic pressure here for setting your tonnage. We servo here for your y-axis, and over this side not too much. So yeah, it's a nice looking machine, complete, in good condition. Now we'll start it up. That's the hydraulic pump running there. Like I said, it's an upstroking machine. Now have we got it in manual? Yep. So I've got it in manual here. Oh, I'll show you the back gauge coming in and out. That's going out. Moves nice and smoothly, nice and quiet. In, out. So I've got it in manual mode at the moment, so that back gauge is working nice on the x-axis, and it's reading as well on the digital readout. Now I think the system doesn't read on this digital readout with the y-axis, the vertical up and down, but it does read with the x-axis. So I'll just put it through a couple of strokes, so it's up, down, fully up, down, and it's got a manual lever here that you can set how much it drops down. So for instance, we'll take it right up and we'll let it go down, say half of its stroke, and then lock this lever so it's down. So I've just locked that lever there, which means now when I take it up and it comes down, it'll only come down wherever I've set it to, making it a nice short stroke. So that's that. So I'll take that lever off. So that's working well. Now we'll get out of the manual mode and go to a job number 17, and enter. Okay, so this is in our auto mode now. I think this is about 4 or 5 stages long, so it's automatically adjusted the back gauge for that first bend. So I'll put my foot down, and it's moved on to the next bend, and it's moved the back gauge in. I don't know if you can see that. Here we go again, up, and it's just moved the back gauge back now, and it's on to bend, next bend, up, down, yeah, and next one, and it's brought the back gauge in. And so that's the auto mode, and you've also, if I push run, then in that same auto job, it will do a semi-auto mode, which means that I can just keep doing that one bend in that auto job. So just means the back gauge will always stay where it is, and that'll bend the same amount. Yeah, so it's got the manual, the semi-auto and the auto, and that all seems to be working fine. Like I say, it's got the digital readout for the back gauge, but not the vertical up and down. It relies on the servo over here for that. Ticks over really nicely. It's in good condition. It's come out of a working situation. and it's got all the Hurco 7 gear on it. Yeah, so it's a nice wee upstroking press brake.